Trom. Main step is the lateral step, very simple. So when we go left, we start with right, and we do right, left, right, right. Then we go right, and we start with left. We do left, right, left, left. So 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. With arms, we do like this. With 1, and when we go left, we move right foot and the right arm. So we go 1, arm goes down, and then left step, and the arms immediately goes up. 3, 4. Then down, and immediately goes up. So together, movement is like this. And also the body turn. So 1, immediately up, and the body turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the main movement of all dance. When melody change, movement will be like this. I show one time. So I will explain. We do a step with left first, and left arm down. Then left goes up, and left step. Now left behind, right up, and again up. Now we change the direction. We step with right, 1, arm down, and then 2, 3, 4. Now foot that is in front remain, in this case my right arm goes at the hip, and I will turn with left steps, and left arm goes up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we do once the lateral step, and again like before, but opposite side. So first right step, 1, then 2, 3, 4. Now left step, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now foot that is in front, left remain, left hand at the hip, and I will turn with my right foot, and right arm goes up. In 4 counts, I go 1, 2, 3, 4. So I do one complete turn, and I keep going with the lateral step. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the dance continue like this until the end. At the very end will be like this. We do this step, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We turn, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3,